Hi, welcome to MarineMax Miami. I'm Gregg Kopp, and today I'd love to show you this 42 Cruisers Cantius. This boat is phenomenal. It is such a large boat in a smaller package, being that it's a 42-foot boat with a lot of big boat features. For example, we'll start with this beautiful, large hydraulic swim platform. So you can put a tender on the back, a jet ski. As you lower it, you've got the nice stairs here, so it gets easy to get in and out of the water. You don't have a big jump, just a lot safer way to get in and out. And also a great area that people like to sit down on the platform and maybe get it in 6 inches, a foot of water, and just kind of relax. A great space for kids or adults, whoever wants to, but really nice setup here. We also have this huge area back here, which has massive storage on both sides, and then you have a grill here. So just a great area to hang out for the day, and you can grill out, store all kinds of stuff in here, fender storage, water toys, both sides. All the boat covers are in here currently. Just a really good space. As you come into the cockpit, it has a very large seating area. I mean, very impressive cockpit area. Again, we're talking about a 42-foot boat. You've got seating out here for 6 comfortably. You could also put a couple of director's chairs out here and here if you wanted, which would also stow in that area in the back. This also has an electric shore shade, so if you don't want to get the sun, you just deploy that out, and this area would be in nice shaded area. You also have a nice little ice maker here, so you can have a cocktail or drink, whatever you'd like, but you've got an ice maker here. And then under here, you've got a designated area for a cooler. So fantastic use of space, easy access to the bow with the nice steps. You have the grab rail, you have a rail up here the whole way through, so just an easy way to get in and out. Another thing that I like about the 42 is this area here opens up. So this door, there's 3 panels, so you can just slide it all the way here. And the beauty of that is you're connecting the outside area, that cockpit area, with everybody who's inside. So it just has a really nice seamless flow and everybody can be engaged. The other option is you can just close this all the way and then you'd walk out through the door that would be here. So as you come inside, you've got a really good setup here. So this is an aft galley, which is my favorite for this size boat, because this boat tends to be an owner-operator, and having the galley, which is really the lifeline of the boat, this is where you spend a lot of time like you would in your house. So if you're entertaining, cooking, whatever it is, you have easy access for outside, you have easy access for inside. Tons of seating in here as well, and every single seat has storage underneath. So lots of spaces to put things. You've got storage under there, you've got storage under these seats. That's important when you're taking a trip. Let's say you want to go to the Bahamas for a couple weeks. This boat has the space, the storage. Besides the grill outside, you have 2 burners inside, which is nice. So you have full cooking facilities. You've got a large refrigerator here, as well as a microwave. And this is convection, so you can actually use it as a toaster, pizza, whatever you want to do. So nice setup here, and then don't forget that ice maker outside. So you really have all that you would need. As you come up to the helm, this is a really comfortable area. Big seating, very plush, very comfortable setup. You've got 2 screens, so it's really nice for navigation for long trips. And this boat is an IPS boat, so you've got the joystick, very easy to operate, very responsive. IPS is going to give you like 30% fuel efficiency. It's quiet. The boat handles really well as a result. Another nice feature is you have this lounge area here, so the captain's not isolated. So whoever's driving up here, you could have 2 people up here, you can have somebody lounging right next to you, and then anyone else would be right behind you. So everyone's kind of all together, which is a nice setup. Another thing I like about this boat, both of the windows will drop down. So we've got the back door pocketed open, we drop the windows, and then you have a nice sunroof as well. So you can let a lot of natural air come through, on those cooler days or more comfortable days. So that's a really nice feature. As we go down, we have 2 staterooms. So this is a 2-2, and it's really well thought of. So as we go forward, you have the Technically, this is the master on the boat. You can step on either side to get up, so it's very comfortable getting into the bed, and it's a large bed. So if you're a big person, tall person, you would fit quite comfortably here. And as you come into the cabin, you'll see that you've got the TV over here, you've got storage, and then you walk right into your private head. And what's nice about that is it has its own enclosed shower, so it's not a wet head, it's a dry head. And that makes, you know, a lot more comfortable and cleaner, so you're not wetting everything. As we come into the aft area, you've got your second head here, which is also, when you step in, you'll see that this also is a dry head. So a 42-foot boat with 2 dry heads is not that common to see. So your shower, you know, 2 comfortable real showers. So you can access the day head through here or also through the second stateroom. And when you come back here, this is a really nice space. So you've got a large bed, a huge couch here. So technically, if 3 people needed to sleep in here, you could do it. This is also a really comfortable space here. As I'm sitting right now, I'm a big person. I'm 6'2", plenty of headroom everywhere. I can sit here, have a conversation with somebody. There's a TV right here. The other thing that I like is that you've got this window that opens. There's one here and there's one on the other side of the bed, as well as the forward stateroom has it as well. And that's nice because you have that cross breeze airflow on those nice days, and maybe you don't want to hear the generator, you just want to hear nice and quiet and peaceful, as boating, you know, is intended to be. More storage throughout the boat, which is just a nice setup here. You've got storage back here, you've got a nice storage here. So we'll go up to the bow and take a look up there. So before we make our way to the bow, I wanted you to see the other way that you can open the door. Just slide open, walk in and out. Another thing I like down here is there's no big threshold to trip over. That's a really nice setup, especially for this size boat. So no tripping hazards. Very good option here. So as we make our way to the bow, we've got a nice rail here, nice grab handle we can walk through. Very comfortable, ergonomic. As soon as I let go of this, I can grab this, so a lot of safety. As we get up to the bow, notice there's not a lot of tripping hazards. Everything's very easy to walk around. Nothing's really in your face or in your foot to knock you out. Up here, you've got nice seating here. Very comfortable area in case you want to lounge or set the anchor down and enjoy the breeze. And that concludes our 42 Cruisers Yacht Cantius. Really nice boat. The main theme I want you to leave with is that this is so much boat for its size. You have all the big boat features and a nice package of 42 feet. If you have any further questions or you'd like to see the boat in person, feel free to give me a call directly on my cell, 786-390-5292. I'm Gregg Kopp, and thanks for watching.